Welcome to EdTube. Today, we're covering the latest sports updates. If you love our content, please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Eritrean swimmer Christina Rach finished second in the swimming race at the Paris 2024 Olympics. Congratulations Merhoi Mabradu. Eritrea's first female Olympic swimmer, Christina Rach, secured second place in the women's 50-meter freestyle heats, clocking a time of 27.20 seconds. Binayam Girmay and Mighty Smickles are the first riders from inter-marche Wanty to compete in the Olympic road race. Binayam Girmay, the Eritrean cyclist, finished 49th in the race.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to EdTube, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us bring you more content. See you in the next video.